I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the highest quality file and zooming into the glare at 100% so you can see texture and clipping. Once done, check the histogram to confirm highlight clipping. That tells you whether detail is recoverable. Make sure you're in edit mode and have the healing tool visible. You'll act locally first because global sliders like highlights can only do so much. Begin with targeted removal to preserve surrounding detail and avoid flattening the image. You now attack the glare with the healing tool. Choose Heal for blending, clone if texture needs exact match, and pick a nearby clean source. While doing this, change brush size and feather for natural edges and use multiple small strokes instead of one big fix. Once healed areas look consistent, switch to selective brush, paint over the zone. Then pull down highlights and whites while nudging texture up slightly to restore micro contrast. This balances restored tones without reintroducing shine. Finish by refining global balance. Use dehaze or clarity in tiny increments only if the healed patch looks flat, because these can create halos. Make sure to toggle between zoom levels to verify the edit reads well at normal viewing distance. If you see repetitive texture or artifacts, undo those fixes and try smaller heal strokes or pick a different nearby source point. Sometimes switching between clone and heal yields a better match. One troubleshooting tip: reduce the tool opacity to blend edits seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.